Most people get this wrong. They think Paylum is just another simple payday advance app, but the surprising truth in 2026 is that Paylum combines early wage access, installment payment options, and spending tracking features in one convenient platform. When used responsibly, it can help manage short-term cash needs without falling into high-interest debt traps. Here's how Paylum works. First, you can access part of your earned wages before your official payday, often within hours. This is useful for urgent bills or unexpected expenses. Second, eligible purchases can be split into smaller installments over several weeks with a flat, predictable fee instead of interest, making payments easy to manage. Paylum also provides dashboards, notifications, and reminders to help you track upcoming payments and monitor spending. These tools reduce late fees and encourage responsible use. The downside, overusing Paylum can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can quickly add up, and relying too heavily on the platform may hide deeper financial issues rather than solving them. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or splits you can repay on time. 2. Enable payment reminders. 3. Maintain a small emergency buffer to reduce reliance. Who benefits most? Individuals with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or weak repayment discipline could find Paylum more costly than helpful. In conclusion, Paylum in 2026 is a convenient and practical tool, but only when used responsibly. Track fees, plan repayments, and treat it as a short-term solution. Subscribe for more honest financial app reviews and actionable money tips.